Everyone, welcome back to my channel, Happily Planning with Karen. And if it's your first time stopping by, hi, I'm Karen, and today I have got part 5. Oh dear, and I promise this is the last one for this year. No matter how tempted I get, this is the last one. And the reason I ordered this, there was it's a lot of little bits I wanted, but I held on. I did the hold option on the Hobonichi site itself because they were releasing some of the most loved covers, if you like, from past years, and I thought, oh, I've got to wait, got to see what they've got, what they're releasing. And when they did, I was like, oh, is that it? So I didn't buy anything. Yeah, go figure. And now I'm watching some hauls and I'm like, oh, I should have got that, but no, enough's enough. 5 lots of fan mail off FedEx with the customs charges. Yeah, I've had enough for this year. So yeah, I've got enough now to go on, and probably too much, as you probably already have gathered. But oh, I'm so excited. It's now figuring out what I'm going to use it all with. But anyway, shall we open it? Shall we stop talking and open it? So I have had a little peek because I didn't fold it up very well, did I? So then let's open it all up and show you all the goodies I got on haul number 5. So let's take it all out, put it to the side, and close this box up. So, if you'll recall, oh, do you like my pink setting? It's my Print Impressions pink matte, and I've got it one in another pink as well. I just fancied a different colour from just white or the wood stain I've got there. But if I just lean over here, ooh, ooh, that was a lot of leaning, wasn't it? You can see I've got this in, whoops, upside down. I've got it in the A6, but I decided for this coming year as a work planner I needed a bigger one because I needed to note down purchases. Everything I do needs to be in it, and that doesn't give me quite enough space. So I've got that for my A5 Hobonichi Techo, the original one. I haven't had the effect for that one, I've just had the original one because I'm just writing in it. But what I'm going to use this one for is, because I'm going to Disneyland Paris next year, if the borders are open and obviously if everything's settled down, this I'm going to put my day free in, because this will be my work one away from home. So I curate mystery boxes, and so I can write down what I see and plan my mystery boxes on the go while I'm in Paris, and then come home and transfer what I need to into this one. So these are my work planner covers. So with this one, as you saw, I actually have hello, I'm recording.
On your Amazon account, am I allowed a Christmas tree?
Yeah. Go. Ooh.
Love you.
See, I left that in because that's what I put up with. I'm recording, and then my kids come in and ask me, can they buy things on my Amazon account? You see, this is life. So let's take this out. So this is the new big cover I've got for my Techo that I've already got here. So we can put this in. So it's exactly the same. It's red at the bottom. You've got the little message under here. It's identical, but I just loved it because it's just like a lot of people, isn't it? And that's what I do. I talk to people all day, and yeah, so that's what I love. It comes with some free stickers. So I didn't have those with the last one, and I did contact customer service, and they did send me these free stickers to go with my A6 one as well, and they just sent them, and I thought that was so lovely, just that on its own. I said, you can add it to my order, and she said, no, we can't do that. So that's what they did. So I've also got the cover on cover, and I like that because it just makes it just, you know, a bit more tactile. Does that make sense? Or is it tactile without? because these are all like little furry fuzzy things, but yeah, I want to put this on to protect it. And I just love this cover. I have never ever played the Mother game. I in fact bought a what's it, a Nintendo Switch to play, yeah, that game that everyone's playing, the island game, Animal Crossing, that's it, came to me eventually. Yeah, I think I played it for a week, so maybe that's something I need to de-stash. What do you think? I think I might have thought I was into gaming and maybe it's just not for me. Maybe I just like to sit and watch television. I do that, don't you? I like to watch rubbish. I know that's terrible, but of a night I like to put on something that is just so trivial. It takes me away from my normal life and any stress or worries I might have, and I do that by watching utter rubbish. So while other people might think it's not rubbish, but you know, like all the Real Housewives programs and stuff, you know, it's just trivia. It's not rubbish. It's just trivia that takes me to another dimension. Look at this. Oh, is it fitted in properly? Have I done it in properly? There we go. It comes with telling you all about the life book, as it did on the last one. So it tells you all about that in there. But so yeah, so that's fab. Love this. And then let's put this in, so we're all ready to rock and roll in the new year. I can start to then get this planned out. Let's put that in. And like that. I haven't quite got that in right, have I? And so that is that better? There you go. So those are then my two planners. So I really love that, and I'm really thrilled. Yeah, really love that, and I'm really thrilled. And this cover was just everything, and that was why this cover was the reason I actually did this whole fifth order. I was like, I've got to get it, and I know they do a release in spring, and I could have got it then if I wanted anything, but I thought if ever it sells out, I just love it. It's bright red, it's Japanese, it's got Japanese writing, and it's a game I've never played, so what more could a girl ask for? So yeah, so that's the first thing I got, so love that. Then I got a lot of little things. So ooh, I got two of these. Ooh, it doesn't even fit in, does it? Ooh, if I do it like that. I got two of these 3-page markers, because for me, when I'm marking, I want to be able to see everything. I want to be able to see my monthly, my weekly, and my daily. So I got two of those. So shall we try that in the Tet Show? Open one up. Trying to remember which colour I ordered. I think this one would have been for the work one, because it's shades and hues of red. So let's open it up. So in here, that I think I'll actually end up putting in the I think I'll actually end up putting that in the front cover as well. So let's put it here. So if we zoom in just a little pad, there we go. So here you've got your monthlies. So I wanted to be able to put one. Oh, if you hear lots of noise in the background, they're putting the Christmas tree up. I love Christmas. I hate putting the Christmas tree up. Does that make sense? It does to me. So anyway, so I've got the monthly there. Then we go across to the weeklies. So then I've got the weeklies here. So then I'll put the next one in. And then we go to the dailies. So that now all 3 pages are marked, and I haven't got to go hunting for them. That's so much better. Now these two, you might say, well, what are you going to use these two for, Karen? Well, in the front you've got, I mean, I might just change the positions around. You've got your monthly tracker, so I thought that would be a good one to track. So it could be days that I've spent on here that I need to get together, because this is for the business. And then at the back you've got your top 100, so I might use it for that. because then that's everything I've got covered in my planner has got a little toggle, whatever. But I just thought that's a great way so that when I open it up, and I know that front one takes me to the, see, and that's what I liked, and that's why I ordered some of those. So I'm really glad I got those. And look, it's like a little charm without having to go to the expense or the the effort, and it rattles. Little things please my mind. And then I've got this one, and this one will be going in my Avec next year. So yeah, so that's my cousin Avec. Oh, and I'm struggling. I am so struggling with all these planners. It's like, what do I do? Do I do memory keeping in my Hobonichi cousin, or do it as we go and write things down in the week? Because I did get a Scribble Prints collaboration with Aura Estelle. I do have the pink planner, and I have got all the overlays and everything for the sticker kits, and I've got that many sticker kits in that size. So you know when you just don't know what you're going to do. No, I don't know what I'm going to do. So anyway, I got this one. This one is to go into the day free, because this one is all your weeks. And on my day free that I will be using with my work planner for when I go to Paris, I can note things in here as well, and I can plan the weeks out and what I saw. And I just thought it was a great little portable calendar to just put in with the day free, because the day free you've only got your monthly and then note pages, and then that way then I can just plan a bit more while I'm over there, and I can note on there sort of which month which box is releasing, and then if I see something that I want for another box, I can note it down. So yeah, so I got that. See, I've thought of all the excuses to order all the things. I'm not daft. Right, then I ordered some of these little book darts. I saw everyone had got them. And FOMO kicked in, it did. And I thought, I wonder what these are like. Now, they had the little tubs. I nearly ordered a tub, I did. But then I thought, well, where are you going to keep it, Karen? And this is 400 darts. And I thought, this is ideal, because it's on a piece of paper to actually put that in the front of your planner. So, for example, I'm moving everything, can't I, today? I'm all fingers and thumbs, because I'm just really aware of them all in the next room making all this noise and laughing. Let's look at the Christmas tree up. Are you like that? I love Christmas, but the mess, it just fries my head. So if I can keep out the way, and all I do is I go in of a night and I go, is the tree fixed to the wall? 9 times out of 10, you can guarantee that tree is not fixed to the wall. And then typically it's, oh, we don't need to fix it to the wall. And I'm like, we do. And he fixes it to the wall, and we have a few words, because we do. And then I'm happy, and it's done, and it's cleaned, and it's there. But then I'm there for it when it goes away. I kind of throw things in. I don't like, put them nicely, and I should. So anyway, these little darts, let's have a look. I've never seen these before. Right, so it's just like, don't know if it's going to work. I mean, I have got my own nails, so if you haven't got your own nails, that'd be a bit of a nightmare. So say I wanted to put a couple of pages together to mark a place. Oh, that's really easy. Right, okay, if you put too many pages together, it doesn't like it. So I got quite a few there, and it didn't like it. Right, so I wonder if it's just really more to point something out if you're working on something. So let's put it around 2 pages. Oh, it's fine on 2. And it's just a little, so then when you look at the side of your diary, your journal, your planner, your life book, whatever you want to call it, it's there. And I just, FOMO. We should actually do a video on everything I bought that's FOMO, shouldn't we? What do you think? Do you think that'd be a good one? I think that'd be very interesting to look back next year and see. I bought this, but did I actually use it? Yeah. So how many have I got there? Is it 12? So I've got 4, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 12 darts there, and I thought I can just put them in there. And then they're ready to rock and roll if I need those. So yeah, okay, so that's that. And then I've got another set which I think is going to go into the one where I'm working, my day free one. So I think I'm going to put that in there. But they did them in different colours, but I just really like this. I don't know if it was rose gold or copper. Was it this and silver? I think it was the two colour options. So yeah, I had that. Right, had some of these. Everybody else had them. Do you know, I am such a devil. What's that song Elvis Presley does? You're a devil in disguise. Oh, yes, you are. I just don't have a very good disguise, do I? I'm just a devil. So there you go. So these are the 3 packets of the washi. And there's 10 sheets and there's 4 designs. So I've only got 10 of them and 10 of them. And I don't know what on earth I'm going to use it for. See, it's terrible. Correct. I can't believe how little I had and how much money it cost me. That little order, which is the 3 of the bookmarks, 2 of these medium bands, 1 mild liner, 2 book darts, a cover on cover, 3 of the washi tapes that were only 350 yen, a Hobonichi weekly calendar, which was 600 yen, and the cover, which was 6,500 yen. Shipping was 2,800 yen. Shipping and handling was 500 yen, and the total bill was 16,050 yen, which I'm going to do it, aren't I? I'm going to figure out what it is in pounds. So let me figure out in pounds. I think I'm going to horrify myself. So I'm just logging in. So let's see what that is. And I'm using the site I always use when I'm buying currency. Okay, so let's put it in. 16050. No. £121. Maybe I should be a little bit more frugal when I'm ordering off the Hobonichi site. Or maybe I should just do one massive order. Oh, that's a bit of a shocker. But that's everything. And these rings, I wanted to see what these were like as well. These are for when. This is a medium ring. So it could fit round your normal Hobonichi. But I think I would have got it to go around these. So you know when they get too big and you can't use your pen loops, and because it's so disjointed, I got these to go around there to keep my book in place. So yeah, will I use them? I'll let you know next year. Oh dear me. But at least I've had all the things. How does it work? Does it come off? Have I done that wrong? I think I've done that wrong. At least I've tried it all, haven't I? So, there we go. So you just put it, you don't have to do that. It's like a button, isn't it? There you go. It keeps it nice and tight. At least we'll know, won't we, next year what I've bought and what I haven't bought. And when it comes to the spring release, there's really nothing I need. So I need to be good. I need to find good Karen. I do. But I hope you've enjoyed that. That's the last part. And the next part you're going to see is my giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to record that now, and I'm so super excited to record that. So thanks so much, everybody. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like the video, and please subscribe to the channel, so that way then you won't miss out on any other videos that I upload. But thanks so much for watching. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and remember, it's never too late to get happily planning. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.